Hello everyone, and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb set up and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb set up is to establish or lay the foundations for something, or to help someone do these things, often in terms of financial help. The couple are really happy with the outcome of their bank meeting. Thank you so much. With this loan, we'll finally be able to set up our business. When the student graduated, his family gave him some money to get on his feet when he moved into an apartment. It was really good of them to set me up with the money to afford rent here for a few months. Meaning two of set up is to make someone healthier, stronger, or more lively. The employee is feeling good after their annual leave break from work. My breakaway from work to recharge my batteries has really set me up for success. I feel ready for anything. The gym is really helping them with their mental health. I feel $1 million. All my hard work was worth it. This has really set me up for the new year. Meaning three of set up is to make someone appear guilty of something they didn't do. The suspect keeps pleading his innocence. I didn't do this. They're setting me up. When the girl completely turned him down for a date, he got annoyed with his friend who put him up to it. You set me up. You knew she'd turn me down and sent me over anyway. Meaning four of set up is to build something or put something somewhere. After the bank robbery, the police tried to shut down any exit points from the city. We're setting up roadblocks to stop the criminals from getting away. They got a big sound system for their birthday. I want to set this up as soon as possible. I love it. Meaning five of set up is to arrange for something to happen. The manager arranged a meeting. I set up a meeting for 4:30 p.m. to announce some company news. The town party is in full flow. We set up the orchestra to play for 6 p.m. So, let's run through what we've learned. Set up can mean to establish or lay the foundations for something, or to help someone do these things, often in terms of financial help. I helped them set up their business, and now they've cut me out. To make someone healthier, stronger, or more lively. I've set myself up to live a financially comfortable life. To make someone appear guilty of something they didn't do. They set him up and now he's serving life in prison. To build something or put something somewhere. They set up the scaffolding and are ready for construction. To arrange for something to happen. The meeting with the client was set up for 5:30 p.m. Where did you hear the phrasal verb set up? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.